Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm not going to speak this time.
Why?
You made me do it last time.
I didn't make you do anything, you were spontaneous. Today's video is gonna be a challenge video guys, and this challenge is called the 1 liter water challenge. So this is a new challenge. I haven't seen any such challenge on YouTube. So if you find any similar challenge, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll try that as well because we are completely wetty. So this challenge is officially invented by me, okay? We chose this challenge during this holy month of Ramadan to remind you guys and to encourage you guys to drink more water, especially during this month. So as you all know, when we fast, we actually tend to take water for granted, and for iftar we get a lot of food like nombu kanji, snacks and juice and dates and dry fruits and halim and all that. So we are overwhelmed with the variety of food we see, and we try to eat more rather than drinking more water. So this is what I do. I actually cannot drink more water during iftar because I'm too hungry, and I also have a glass of juice. So that juice actually counts as water for me, but that's not at all enough guys. And after iftar I get occupied with the household works, feeding Rayu, cooking and recording and all that, and I completely forget to drink water. So this is what happens with most of the ladies, especially. We forget to drink water because we do not have the time for it, and also when we actually feel thirsty, our mind interprets it as hunger, and we tend to eat something, munch on some snack, but we leave the water out. So this shouldn't be happening. We should be drinking more and more water.
Yeah, I keep opening the fridge all day long to see what's there to eat next and all that,
but actually we are feeling thirsty. Once you drink the water, even the hunger pangs go down. It helps in weight reduction and maintaining your weight. It gives you a glowy skin, especially during this fasting time. You tend to look a much younger by the end of 30 days, provided you drink the right amount of water every day.
I drink a lot of water. I don't see you
He
drinking
drinks
water.
like every time he wants to drink water, actually he just takes one full bottle of water and he gulps it down. Like from here to here is like one mouth for him.
So that's not a challenge, right? Yeah, so guys, as you've been watching that she speaks a lot, so she needs to drink water right now. Let's open
I
the bottle
know,
for
but
her.
then
Okay.
I feel like eating pizza at the end of my talking, but actually it's thirst.
Hey, we're supposed to challenge? Go for it.
I'm not going to drink all of this anyways.
I'll give her a heads up.
I know. For me, I try and drink at least 3 liters of water a day. It is difficult for me because I forget to drink water, and by the time I remember that I haven't drank water at all, it's already the end of the day and I cannot drink 3 liters by the end of the day. So I try hard, and he reminds me, and now my son reminds me all the time to drink water. Whenever they see me tired, whenever they see me sitting in front of the laptop for a long time, they bring this bottle of water to me and they ask me to drink it right in front of their eyes so that I just don't place it down and forget it again. So this is what happens. I drink at least 3 liters a day and he drinks at least 5 liters a day. That's good, right?
Yes.
That's the secret of his beauty.
So, I think I've asked her to drink water more times than telling her that I love her. I think that's what I've been doing all her college
From
days.
the
every
time we
day.
started dating, he'll always ask me to drink water.
Okay, yeah, someone asked, they want to know how we used to go on dates and all that, our love story.
Later. Someone mentioned in the comment that they want our love story.
Yeah, okay. So anyways, so drinking water, and to all my Muslim friends out there, my brothers and sisters and all my friends out there, you guys are amazing. I can't believe that the moment you say don't drink water, I start feeling thirsty, and I can't believe that you guys really do it from sunrise to sunset. That's amazing. Really, you all have my respect, guys. I'm really proud of you guys, and I'm proud of my wife too. They're amazing, really. Seriously, that's something which we cannot do. Fasting is okay, that's a different thing, but being without water, not allowing you to, the rules are so strict, right? And yeah, that way you guys are really amazing. Kudos to you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll start with the challenge now. I want to take breaks in between. I cannot gulp it down in one go.
Yeah,
Okay.
No problem.
I'll drink as much as I can. This is a 1 liter bottle. Okay,
Little
I'll
more than
try to drink at least half a liter.
Okay. There we go.
Start?
Yeah. Okay, slowly.
How much is this? Not half, right?
More than 300 ml.
300.
400.
I'll drink more.
Don't stuff. It's okay. Take it slow. No hurry.
I want to drink at least half a liter for the sake of this challenge at least. I don't want to lose so bad.
Don't force yourself. Really, you can take breaks and
From my childhood, actually, we were taught to sit down and drink water, and also, not to gulp down the water like this. We need to really sip the water, leave gaps in between, and then sip the water again, and not, lift and drink like this. It has some scientific reasons behind it. You can Google it, guys. So this is how I have been drinking water all my life, and it's very difficult for me to, gulp down in one go.
Yeah, even I got a lot of kicking for gulping down in one go.
Yeah, I teach my son to, get into that habit of sipping it and drinking it slowly.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Tough to sit down. Okay, guys.
Anyways, I'm happy that, you guys made me drink some extra water today. Thank you for that. Because of this challenge, I was able to drink a little more water. Now I can drink a little more.
Yeah. One gulp of water and she can talk for 1 hour. That's my girl.
Especially on ship, since the entire ship is air conditioned, and we won't feel thirsty at all. Even if you don't drink water at all for an entire day, you're not going to feel thirsty at all. The ship's atmosphere is like that. It's completely air conditioned, no sweat at all. And he had a lot of work. I didn't have any work there, so I was just like decked up and going here and there recording videos, so I really didn't feel like drinking water. But even on ship, he used to remind me to drink water all the time. Whether you're feeling thirsty or not, it is important to drink water every day, the right amount of water. So
Okay, she talked about one more.
no.
You crossed the halfway. Good, congratulations. Woohoo!
Okay, one more sip.
Not only water, any kinds of liquids. Reduce the caffeine, but any kinds of juice.
Reduce caffeine, reduce sugar.
And
You can have fresh juices, natural juices, buttermilk, those sorts of things.
all that counts, yeah. So
So thanks for watching our video, guys. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Have a
Ramadan
blessed Ramadan. Have a happy Ramadan. Be healthy and be safe during this time, and take care of yourself. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Our IDs are given below, so stay connected. Take care. See you again in another interesting video. Bye bye.
bye.